How to add subtitles in YouCut. First of all, open the YouCut app and tap on the plus button to start a new project. Then, select the video you want to add subtitles to from your gallery. Now, I will record the audio where I will say, "Hello, I am from the USA." After that, look for the text option in the toolbar and tap on it. This will allow you to add text to your video. Type the words you have spoken in the video into the subtitle text box and adjust the timing by dragging the text box to the correct spot in the video. Next, you can customize the font, size, color, and position of the text to make sure it's visible and matches your video's style. You can also use the animation option to add effects to the subtitles for a more dynamic look. Another way is to tap on the record layer and select caption. For the subtitle to appear, you need to unlock the ads. Here, you can also choose the caption language that you want. After watching the ads, it will automatically detect your words and generate subtitles for you. You can edit the subtitle as well by double-clicking it. And that's it. Now you know how to add subtitles in YouCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.